Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. Hope you guys are doing super duper awesome. One common query that I receive is, Kaustubh, I received a large amount from somewhere. It can be a bonus or something else. Where should I park this money? Where should I invest this money? I am a bit confused. Please help me. This is genuinely a very common question that I'm sure you all must have also faced. So let's try and understand what are the options available. The first thing is, if you have received a large amount from somewhere and if you have any loans running which are there at ROI, which is rate of interest of more than 10%, then please try and prepay those loans first. So your first option is, if you have a large lump sum amount received, please prepay your loans if the interest is more than 10%. Then next is, we will now understand which are the investment options available and how do we tackle those. The first is, let's look at mutual funds, equity mutual funds, because there are some innovative options available here to invest. Now you have some lump sum amount to invest and you are scared or worried that what if the market falls, where should I, how should I park, or how should I strategically invest this money. So one good option available is doing a systematic transfer plan. In a systematic transfer plan, what you can do is park the entire amount. So for example, let us assume the amount is 10 lakhs. Park the entire amount of 10 lakhs in a debt mutual fund and start a systematic transfer plan to an equity mutual fund for say the next 50 weeks, which is almost a year. So what will happen here is, 20,000 will get deducted every week from your debt mutual fund and get transferred to an equity mutual fund. In this case, what happens is, it's almost like a weekly SIP that you're doing, where पूरा का पूरा पैसा आपने एक डेट म्यूचुअल फंड में पार्क तो कर दिया, वहां से from there 20,000 is getting deducted and invested in an equity fund, which will happen over the course of next 1 year because you're doing it over 50 weeks. So that is the first very strategic option that you have available to invest. The next option available in equity mutual fund is, if you don't want to go for a strategic investment, systematic transfer plan, strategic investment option, you can go for a direct investment in an equity mutual fund, which is a dynamic asset allocation fund. Now, a dynamic asset allocation fund is a hybrid fund, balanced fund, which has a mix of equity and debt, and its equity exposure increases as market goes down and equity exposure reduces as market goes up, because it books profit and then transfers it to debt. So it's a very simple option that you can put all the money in dynamic asset allocation funds and don't get too worried about it, because the fund manager will strategically allocate and time the market based on his strategies anyways. In case if you have a stocks portfolio or you want to build a stocks portfolio through the lump sum investment, what can be done? So for beginners, let's assume that you already have a stocks portfolio running. The best thing is, try and invest in good quality blue chip stocks if you're already holding them, and add them. Don't fear from averaging up, because the point is to actually average up, because your story is playing out well and the fundamentally the stock is doing well as per your thesis. So if you have blue chips and large caps, good quality ones, then please buy more of them. Ideally, the portfolio should contain at least minimum 15 stocks or maximum of 30 stocks. So anywhere between 15 and 30 stocks is a good enough number. So if you have these number of stocks available, please buy more of them and don't look for buying new stocks, because then what will happen is your 30 stocks will become 40, 45, 50, 60, 75, and we don't want that to happen. So that was the first option. In case if you already have an existing portfolio of stocks, please buy selectively blue chips, large caps, good quality ones, which are there in the Nifty 50 or Nifty next 50 stocks. Now, how should you invest the money in case if you want to start a fresh stocks portfolio? So if you are starting a fresh stocks portfolio, invest in good quality large cap blue chip stocks, at least 15 to 20 stocks across various sectors and various companies across those sectors. Buy good quality large cap stocks, but also be ready that in case market falls later, you should be able to allocate a monthly income so that you can buy those stocks more and average them out more. So if you're starting afresh, build a portfolio, average out more stocks by buying them later in case the market falls. This was all about where should you invest your lump sum money. I hope it was useful as well as interesting. Thank you so much, everyone.